On July 29, 2023, officers received an urgent call. A woman, clearly wasted, was harassing the employees of a local establishment. The police arrived quickly, but they weren't ready for this. That woman was none other than the queen of all Karens. When the police arrived, the manager of the place explains the situation to them.
Are you refusing to leave?
No.
Okay, get your bag and leave.
Show me where your personal space is.
You don't need to worry about my personal space. You need to get your bag and leave.
You've been trespassed.
You have been trespassed.
Look at those guys, and look at this guy, and I have no idea where my purse is. No, not something, no something, no.
She's about to go to jail.
Where?
Jail. Get your stuff and leave now.
Where's my
I
stuff?
suggest you.
I don't know. Wherever
It's
you put
my
it.
table,
Okay,
right
then
over
go
there.
get it and leave.
Can you go get it?
No.
Why?
Because it's not my stuff.
Why?
I'm not your.
You tell me to
I'm not your
leave.
personal assistant.
No,
Get your
I
stuff and go
understand.
now.
I understand.
Are you refusing to leave?
No,
Okay, then leave now.
I'm not leaving.
You're not
Because,
leaving? Okay.
no.
That's fine. Put your hands behind your back.
Freeze me for it.
Both your hands behind your back.
Because what? I told you I cannot find my bag, my purse, at my table
Quit.
over there.
Quit.
To what? Oh my God. Seriously?
Yeah,
The
seriously.
woman is literally submissive to you, and you have on all the cameras. And
Yeah, I have my own
this entire beautiful place, and you're feeling so good at actually representing
I didn't
a
want-
woman who was
No, 'cause I don't
standing
wanna
next
arrest
to
you.
Oh yeah, you didn't want to arrest her, but you did arrest me.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you were told multiple times to leave, and you refused, and then you said
No,
you
I
were
didn't say I didn't want to leave. I said I wanted to get my bag, and you said you couldn't get my bag. Oh my gosh, you're really gonna feel so good about this?
No, I don't feel good about arresting you.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Because a woman who lives on Tulare Beach in a really nice suburban house.
Despite the officer's warnings, Elena refuses to listen, thinking she can get out of the arrest by bribing the others, but life will teach her a lesson.
Is being arrested by the guy who literally told
Come
her
on.
he
Come on.
couldn't. Oh, look at my eyes for a second.
Stop.
He
Stop.
literally couldn't say
Ma'am,
that
Come on.
he couldn't
you're about to
leave
catch
her.
another charge for resisting. Come on. Walk down these stairs. Watch your step.
To what?
You need to look down and watch
To
your step.
what?
Because you were walking down these stairs.
He wants me to walk down the stairs.
Yes, I do.
Why?
Come on.
Oh my God!
Will you stand up?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ma'am, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Then walk. Then walk. I want you to walk.
What you
Walk.
want me to do?
Walk.
What is wrong with you?
Walk.
Give me a handcuffs!
Walk.
Then what you want? What want me to do? 5 words! Fucking shut down!
Yeah, 42 Bravo. Go ahead and have that.
Oh my God! This is my... Oh my God! This is been wanted! The women back down! Please!
Can you please stand up?
I wanted to do something!
Can you please stand up?
Oh my God!
No, you didn't want to help me earlier. You're not going to help now. You could have avoided this. You're the sober one. You could have helped your friend. You refused to interject. Ma'am, stand up. Stand up. No, we're way past that now. She's got two misdemeanor charges.
I can't feel my hands. Take those hands off.
If you stand up, you'll feel fine.
No, I can't. I can't.
stood up, they would not hurt.
I can't even move. You hurt me so much. I can't even I can't hurt.
43 Bravo, how far out is my back?
My hands are hurting so much. Я
Давай
refuse to
встань.
go.
Нет, ну давай.
I'm
Давай
sorry.
пойдем, давай.
Alright, gonna have to probably pick her legs up too.
Oh my God.
Ready?
I'm hurting.
Yep.
Oh my God! You really guys need this? Seriously, you need this? Guys, listen, stop, just stop. What do you need?
I needed you to leave about 50 minutes ago.
What?
And you refused.
Why? Because you told me, because you believe those guys? Just stop.
Stand up.
Stop!
Stand up.
Stop!
Leave me for 1 second.
Stop!
You leave me for 1 second.
It's over with.
I understand.
Just please stand up.
Just let me go.
We can't let you go. Stand up
Yes,
for
you
me.
can. Yes, you can.
Ma'am, stand up.
Yes, you can. I can let you go. And you
Ma'am.
can let me go. You're not gonna be the two guys who's taking advantage of the whole woman who's being like
Ma'am.
completely.
Stand up.
You
Come on.
have a chance. You
Ma'am,
have a chance.
how old are
Social
you?
media. What does it matter?
Because you're
You have
acting
a
like a
chance.
9-year-old. Stand up.
You have a chance.
After a few minutes, more officers finally arrive for help.
There's no
He
chance.
was with me. Well, you were with me.
Don't kick.
Do it.
Do not kick
I'm
me.
not going to
You're gonna
kick
get a
you.
resisting charge
I'm
if
telling
you kick
I'm
me.
telling you, I have a shitload of money.
I
You
don't
know what's
care how much
missing.
money you
I know. You know why? Because I'm telling you this right now.
You need
You
to
know
back up.
why?
Go over there.
You know why? Because all of this can go away. You can go away and I can go away.
Ma'am. get in
You
the
can
car.
go away and I can go away. All of this can go away. You know why? Why? Why do you need to
Get in
do
the car.
this?
Get in the car.
Go.
Come on. Get in the car.
No, I'm asking you. I'm not resisting anything.
Perfect.
I'm not,
Get in the
I'm
car.
not asking anything.
Ma'am, get in the car. Don't grab me and don't kick me.
Please. Fuck you.
Okay, which bag is hers? Which bag is hers?
This one?
Okay.
This is for fun. I don't know the procedures.
The procedures, I need her back.
Change all of this right now.
Let me
You
tell
can change all of this.
you break
You can
that
change
window,
all
you
of
get
this.
pepper
You
spray.
can change all of this
Do you
because you're a good
understand?
person. You
One
can
more
go.
time.
You're a good person.
That window breaks.
I can tell you're a good
pepper
person.
What?
You're good people. What the f- do you want with people having good time at the nice hotel? What the f- want?
I don't want anything. I want you to
Yeah, that's why you should let us go and go to our
Once
houses.
you relax, we will. You need to
Yeah, then just let us go.
Did you hear me?
Yes,
I need you to calm down.
I am
I'm not
calm.
yelling at you.
Just let us go. Just let us go.
I'm not
She has 2 kids. I have 3 kids.
I need to-
Let us go.
I need-
This man not nice to us.
hey.
We snapped. So that's the worst that's gonna happen.
You need to treat us how you want to be
Understand?
treated.
I never was booked for anything.
Okay, you need to relax, and we'll talk to you in a
Just
second.
let
Okay?
us go.
Okay, relax, and we'll talk to you.
28446, 28446.
Don't you have real criminals to check?
Yeah.
We're not f***ing real criminals.
Okay, well,
Let
unfortunately-
me come out.
If she breaks my window, she's gonna get pepper sprayed.
You want to just get her the hell out of here? I don't know what we're waiting for.
I don't know.
Just
No,
go.
she's a
Drive
nice
to
lady.
McCurry,
She's
and
a
because if
nice
he's doing the
lady.
Viper, then there's no reason to stay here. It just has things escalate.
She's not the
So,
kid.
hello.
You're not nice people. You guys are not nice people at all. You know you're not the kind of people you book. You know exactly. You know exactly that the people that you know that you're so messed up. You're literally messed up in your brain because you know the people you just picked up are just trying to have fun and catch up with their friends and having a good time in the bed, and the hotel is being so messed up. They were trying to bitch about $600 bill that we're gonna pay anyways, and then here you are. You guys feel good about it, don't you? Right? A girl who came to dinner with her friend. You feel good about it, right? Don't you feel good about it? Oh, guys, I'm having such a break in this big, mysterious that's taking over St. Petersburg and all these clouds of like, what? Like luxury and fucking like, oh, I'm sorry. You can't even fucking navigate your shit of this. Like luxury happened here. You took a girl who was literally just a girl, just a normal girl who was not even threatening anybody at her lunch, and took her by her wrists, handcuffed in the back seat. She was handcuffed, absolutely, like she couldn't even.
Even with everything they have told her, Elena is not willing to cooperate, and instead she prepares her concert of screams.
You know why? The why question never came. She is still asking, why is she kidnapped by the police? Why? Why? She's scared! In the back seat of the car! That's moving her from the one station they kidnapped her, which is the police station. You did this to me! Me! A mother of 3 children! I never had any problems with police. I live in Bel Air Beach, Florida. I have master's degree. You don't give a f***. You know why? Because whatever you're doing at this moment is superiority. And you know what? It's about time we expose this shit. Guess what? You're not no f***ing angel. All the happens to you in your life, you just say, I did not deserve that. Guess what? You f***ing deserved it. You know why? Because you're doing it f***ing now. You know why? Because you're not stopping. What the f*** did they tell you at the hotel? She's not responsive? What the f*** did they say? You don't even know what the f*** did they say? Pull over! Talk to me! Pull over! You're a good person. Pull over! Pull over! I mean it. Pull over! Can you please help me? Help me! Help! 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 Help!
Stop kicking my window! Stop it!
I can breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! You pull me inside! I cannot breathe! Help me! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! You're taking my shoes off! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! in the West. I live in the West, bitch. I'm a good person. They kidnapped me, and they kidnapped. Please help me out. Check my address. They kidnapped me. No one let me go. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Elena. Help me. Elena. Help me. Help me, Elena. Help me. Help me. Help me. Elena. I was kidnapped in the Hanoi. They both left me a message. Please help me. Please help me.
Take a breath for me.
Please help me. Help me.
Elena.
Both of them keep me hostage.
Elena.
I want you to help me. Help me,
Elena,
please.
you're gonna
Anybody
hurt
help me.
yourself.
Anybody help me. Please help
trying
me.
to help
Please
you.
help me.
You're gonna
I
hurt
live in the
yourself.
Bel Air Beach.
Elena.
I was there to celebrate with my friends. They come and they kidnap me. Help me, please.
Elena, you
I want you to help me.
arrest.
Help me now. It's a police station. Help me. Please,
All right, they're
anybody.
bringing a wheelchair for you.
Please help me. Please help me. Please help
But I
me.
can't have you kicking
Please
your
help
windows,
me.
and I can't have you
Please
kicking
help
my
me.
officer, okay?
Please help me. She's holding my arms.
I am
Please
holding your arm.
help me now.
I'm not going to let you kick people. All right, you're going to pay attention to these very nice people, all right?
They kidnapped me.
Okay, ma'am, you're not dealing with them anymore, so let's get you inside and see what's going on, okay? All right, scoot forward.
I don't even have my bag. I don't have my phone.
Oh, that's worried.
They kidnapped me.
Okay. Elena,
Come on out.
Elena, let's get inside and figure out
They
what's going on.
kidnapped me.
All right, Elena, let's figure out.
I live right here. I'm gonna
Turn around. Okay.
I don't think she did because her dress looks fine.
Oh, she pooped.
Oh, did she poop? Ew.
That looks like.
At the end of the day, Elena was charged with disorderly conduct and resistance. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel to see more things like this, give me like the video, and God bless you.